need that?
I'm sick.
You're sick?
Yeah.
What are you sick? What's wrong? Your head?
Yeah.
Your belly?
I need this.
You need that?
Yeah.
Do you have a fever?
Yeah.
You do? Are you sick?
Yeah. I need this.
No, go put it back.
I need this.
You're not sick.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, I'm sick.
No, you're not sick.
Yeah.
Where are you sick at? Where?
No, no.
You're sick at Mel's house?
Yeah.
No.
I think my house.
Are you sick in the head?
I think my house.
You're sick at your house?
Yeah.
Is your belly sick?
Yeah.
Oh, you gonna puke?
Yeah.
No puking. What did Disney do?
Wow.
It's too loud. Oh, she's alright. She's barking at Gracie.
Oh. Wow.
She's too loud. Go put that back, please, so we can go bye-bye. Thank you. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Take your temperature?
Yeah. I take this.
No.
Mine.
Because you're not sick.
Yeah.
No. Okay, close the door.
Bye-bye.
You gonna go bye-bye?